Hello everyone, welcome to Thomas Trader channel. In this YouTube channel, I'm going to share free binary option strategies. I hope my strategies can be useful for all of the binary option day trader. And I'm also doing some Bitcoin giveaway in my Telegram group, where in this Telegram group, I'm sharing all of my binary option strategies and sometimes I'm giving out free signal. The group is totally free. You can find the link in the description of this video. Let's start our trading session for today. Today I'm using the 1 minute time frame over here, as you can see, and I'm also using the candlestick over here in order to help me to analyze the market. I'm also using two indicators to help me analyze the market. The first one is moving average over here with the yellow line. As you can see over here, there is a yellow line. This is called moving average. And the second indicator, I'm using stochastic oscillator. And over here I'm using 3 minute time frame to open the position. As you can see over here, I'm using 3 minute time frame, and I will start with $10 investment over here, and let's see how much we can get from this $10 investment. Let's start our trading session for today. Today we are going to use two strategy. The first one is the moving average strategy. When you see a candle touch the moving average line, I'm sure that it will make a rebound. As you can see over here, this is the example. When the candle touch the moving average line, it will make a rebound and continues the trend. As you can see over here, when the trend is going down, the candle touch the moving average line, it make a rebound. And for the second strategies, we are using stochastic oscillator. As you can see, there is two lines over here, the oversold line and the overbought line over here. I'm sure when the market touch the line, it will make a rebound. As you can see over here, when the market touch the oversold area over here, it make a rebound and we can open buy position for 3 minutes. I will show you the other example. As you can see over here, when it touch the oversold area, it make a rebound and we can try to open buy for 3 minutes. And as you can see over here, when it touch the overbought area over here, it make a rebound and we can open sell position for 3 minutes. This is the other example. It make a rebound when it touch the overbought line. As you can see over here, it touch the overbought line and it make a rebound. We can try to open sell position for 3 minutes. I will show you another example. When it touch the oversold area, it make a rebound and we can try to open buy position for 3 minutes. Over here, as you can see, it make a rebound. Alright, let's start our trading session for today. Let's find the market. And here the trend is going up. The candle is touching the moving average line. We can try to open buy for 3 minutes because I'm sure when it touches the moving average line, it will make a rebound and continues the bullish trend. This is the example. You see when it touches the moving average line, it make a rebound, and here it make a correction because it's already touched the overbought area. When it touches the overbought line, it will make a correction back to the moving average line and it will continue the bullish trend when it touches the moving average line. And let's prove it here. Let's wait till the end of our trade. Five seconds left and we made a right prediction over here. We made a profit of $18, and let's change our investment into $18 and let's find the other market. And here, as you can see, the trend is going down. The market touched the oversold area. We'll try to open buy for 3 minutes because I'm sure when it touched the oversold area over here, it will make a rebound. And here is the example. When it touched the oversold area, it make a rebound. And you see over here, when it touched the oversold area, it make a rebound. That's why we can open buy for 3 minutes over here when it touched the oversold area. And let's wait till the end of our trade. 6 seconds left and we made a right decision over here. It make a rebound when it touched the oversold area and we make a profit of $33, and let's change our investment into $33 and let's find the other market. But we still can try to open sell over here for 3 minutes because it touched the moving average line over here. We will open sell for 3 minutes because when the market touches the moving average line, it will make a rebound again and continue the bearish trend. And let's prove it here. Let's wait till the end of our trade. Six seconds left and we made a right decision again over here. It make a rebound when it touched the moving average line. We made a profit of $60 and let's change our investment into $60 and let's find the other market. And over here, as you can see, the market is going bearish and the market touched the moving average line. We can try to open sell for 3 minutes because I'm sure it will make a rebound when it touched the moving average line. Let's prove it here. Let's wait till the end of our trade. Three seconds left and we made a right prediction again over here. We made a profit of $112. Let's change our investment into $112. As you can see over here, we made a right prediction. It make a rebound when it touched the moving average line. Let's find the other market. And here, as you can see, the trend is going bullish. The market touched the moving average line. We can try to open buy for 3 minutes because I'm sure when the trend is going up, the market touched the moving average line, it will make a rebound and continue the bullish trend. Let's wait till the end of our trade. One seconds left and we made a right decision over here. We make a profit of $207. Let's change our investment into $207. Like what I've said before, when it touches the moving average line, it will make a rebound. Let's find the other market. As you can see over here, the market is going down. It touched the oversold area. We can open buy for 3 minutes because I'm sure that it will make a rebound when it touched the oversold area. And let's prove it here. Let's wait till the end of our trade. Five seconds left and we made a right prediction again over here. We made a profit of $389 and let's change our investment into $389. As you can see over here, it make a rebound when it touched the oversold area. This strategy is very accurate and is very useful. Let's try to find the other market. And here, as you can see, the market is going up. It touched the overbought area. We can try to open sell for 3 minutes, because I'm sure when it touched the overbought area, it will make a rebound. Over here, as you can see, it already touched the overbought area and it will make a rebound. Let's prove it here. Let's wait till the end of our trade. 3 seconds left and we made a right prediction over here. We made a profit of $731, and let's change our investment into $731, and let's find the other market. And here, as you can see, the market is going bullish and it touched the moving average line. We can try to open buy for 3 minutes, because I'm sure it will make a rebound and continues its bullish trend. And the stochastic oscillator is also showing a bullish trend over here, as you can see. Let's prove it here and let's wait till the end of our trade. Three seconds left and we made a right decision over here. We made a profit of $1,374, and let's change our investment into $1,374. I'm sorry, the max trade amount is only $1,000, and let's change the investment into $1,000 and let's find the other market. I think that's enough for today. We already made a profit of $1,374 with only $10 investment. From $10 we turn it to $18, and at the second open position, $18 we turn it to $33, and with $33 we turn it into $60, and with $60 we turn it into $112. With $112 we make it into $207, and with $207 we turn it to $389, and with $389 we turn it to $731, and in the last open position, $731, we turn it to $1,374. With only $10 investment, we already made a lot of profit today. I think that's enough. I hope this technique can be useful for all of you. I think it's enough for today. If you have any suggestion in order for me to make a better video, you can give me some suggestion on the comment section. I will really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. I just want to remind all of you that I have a free Telegram group where I share all of my binary option strategies, and sometimes I'm giving out free signal. And I'm also doing Bitcoin giveaway for the one who subscribe, like, and give the best comment on this video. I will announce the winner at my Telegram group, so make sure that you have joined my Telegram group. It's totally free to join. I think it's enough for today. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Remember, every day is a profit day.